Hey, what's up guys? Today I am going to show you really cool 3D printer from Chinese company Flsun. Actually, I am very happy because I have opportunity to show you their latest machine called Super Racer. And I'm not surprised because of this name, because this printer is super fast. It can print between 150 to maximum 200 millimeters per second. This is really fast for 3D printers. And besides that, it has several new features. For example, it has the removable screen. This is the 3.5 touch screen. So basically with this screen you can adjust any settings like preheat, auto leveling, temperature, and of course you can start printing. Besides that, it is available in 8 different languages, not only on English. And on the back side it has the magnet, which when you touch the magnet holder it will stay here. So basically you can use this printer by touching the screen on the holder. Also, as you said, you can remove it and you can sit down and easily adjust any settings. In my opinion, it is a real cool feature. Comparing this printer with previous two models from Flsun company, more or less the design is very similar, but this printer is also much bigger. It is huge, as you can see, huge printer. And thanks to the design you can print really huge modules. So basically in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how you can use this user interface to start printing, but also I'm going to show you how this printer works and how the 3D print process works. And in the end of video you will see what kind of printing quality you can expect from Super Racer. So as I said earlier, the touchscreen is user friendly, and basically you can adjust heat settings, filament, auto level, basically language. And as I said, it is available in 8 different languages: English, Deutsch, Spain, Chinese, Russian, and others. Also, you can start printing, and you can see here firmware version. It is open source Marlon firmware. So basically if you have already prepared the module for printing, all what you need to do is to save the module on your memory card and you can insert in the printer. But also you can start printing by USB connection. So basically when you are ready for printing, you just need to print. Just one moment. Before start printing we need to start preheating. For that we will put 200 and okay. So now we need to wait for the temperature rise for both settings, and after that we can start printing. So we are going to wait a little while. Before we start printing we need to preheat both settings and then we can start printing. But before I click print, I'm going to show you in what program on your computer or laptop you can create modules or even just save modules to your memory card. So basically what software you need to get start printing, and basically this software is completely free. So now the temperature is okay. What all we need to do is click print, select the file, and then again print. And that's it. So basically you can see it's quite easy to start printing. And now something is going now. So in the next few minutes you will see how printing works with Flsun Super Racer 3D printer. So as you can see, we are now on 72% of the printing process, and we are almost done with the first printing. Definitely I'm going to try some other modules later. This is actually the first print to see how the printing on this machine works, but from now everything goes fine. And I must admit, this device is quite enjoyable to work because the noise is not too high. From other information I can say that this hotbed is removable. All of what you need to do is unscrew these screws and you can remove it and replace with other hotbed if you need. So basically it's quite easy to maintain this machine. Let's look how it works. With this printer, if you decide to buy it, you will receive free filament for testing, but later if you need a larger filament, then you don't need to worry, because thanks to this design you can actually put a larger filament here without any problems. As you can see, it has enough space for larger filaments. If you ask yourself where is the USB port and SD card slot, and the answer on this question is actually simple. Basically this is the front side. On the left side of the machine we have USB port and SD card slot. So basically if you want to connect your device to the computer, you can use it your USB cable, which is included in the package, and then you can start printing. But also if you liked more, you can use SD card. Just copy all your files on the memory card and insert it here. It's quite simple actually. I need to say that it's really enjoyable to work with this machine because Super Racer it's not loud as a device during printing, and for many people this is very important because you can enjoy printing. As you can see, I have started the second print. We will see what will come out, but from experience from the first module I expect good quality print. So stay tuned, and at the end of the video you're going to see the print quality of Super Racer. So you can see it is almost done. It is 95% done, and it looks good. From what I can see, the printing quality is great. So I expect that soon the printing process will be done. So here we can see two final products from printing. So basically I have printed two different modules for purpose of testing and to see what kind of printing quality we can expect. And as you can see, the printing quality and details are amazing. So I can freely say that this Super Racer 3D printer can be also used for professional use. So basically you can see this is really cool module, and as you can see it works really nice with amazing details. But also the second small box, also really nice touch. So basically this printer in the end can be used for fun, for hobby, but also for professional use. So basically you can see that Super Racer from Flsun Chinese company is great choice because this 3D printer is amazing. It offers many useful features at affordable price. So basically if you are considering to buy it, you can do it from their official online shop. The online shop is my description. Also, if you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and like or comment this video. Thank you. Bye.